Winter weather advisories in effect from 7 p.m. tonight through 7 p.m. Saturday for areas in purple. Winter storm warnings in effect for areas in pink. That does include Lynchburg, Smith Mountain Lake, and Southside for the same time frame. Here's a look at what we're dealing with right now. We do have some scattered light snow showers around the region, but the main event still in areas south and west of us. We'll show you what that storm system looks like right now coming up here in about 2 minutes. You need to know that tomorrow we're only looking at temperatures starting out in the lower 20s, and look at this, by 4 o'clock we're only looking at temperatures in the middle 20s.
Well, because of this, we want to hand things right back over to Chief Meteorologist Jeff Haniewich. Jeff, which area will see the flakes fall first? And actually, I know that some are already seeing it.
That's exactly right. The extreme northern edge of this has been impacting some of our backyards for the last little while. And you'll notice that the NRV Highlands, even the Roanoke Valley, pretty dry right now. You head, say, towards south side, and that's where we're dealing with a little bit more in the way of some snow showers in and around Martinsville, Chatham, Gretna, even into Danville. I want to bring up the Martinsville New College Institute Skycam if I can and show you that there is indeed very wet roadways, and look at the cement. Look on top of the cars. We do have around a coating of snow already in Martinsville on the grass and also on elevated surfaces, i.e. the cars. So this is just a harbinger of things to come as we head throughout the course of the overnight. We're looking at a live picture from our Liberty University Skycam in Lynchburg. Look at the football field. Can't see the green, can't see the numbers. Got about a ½ inch of snow on the ground on the Liberty University campus, and we're looking at certainly a lot more to come as we head into the course of the overnight. For that reason, winter weather advisories in effect for areas in purple, winter storm warnings in effect for areas in pink from 7 p.m. tonight through 7 p.m. on Saturday. Dangerous travel is expected tonight into tomorrow. That is why we have these advisories and warnings out there, to alert you that if you can stay at home, please do so. Have some fun in the snow. It's going to be a nice snow for us. Okay, it's going to be a dry snow for a change. Usually it's a wet snow. You'll notice that we are seeing some snow showers out into eastern parts of our viewing area, in and around, say, Halifax County, near South Boston, Charlotte Courthouse, Seneca, Gretna, Chatham areas, right along Highway 501, dealing with some light snow showers at this point. This is the extreme northern end, the tip, if you will, of the storm system that is bringing moisture from our neck of the woods all the way down into areas near Galveston, Texas. So this is a storm system taking up a lot of real estate. It's a powerful storm system as well, as all this moisture that you see south and west is heading north and east. Future tracker showing that as we head throughout the course of the evening, the chance for snow will increase, especially as we head, say, beyond 10 or 11 o'clock. Heaviest snow will be between around midnight and around 8 a.m. Look at 1 a.m. where you see these shades of dark blue. That's where the heaviest snow is going to be. So we think the heaviest snow at around 1 a.m. will be along and south of Highway 460. Then as we head into the 8:30 hour, still some bouts of some moderate snow around. And then as we head late morning into the early afternoon, the transition will be made for the snow to end, okay? So by between 1 and about 2:30 or so, that is when the snow showers left over from the earlier heavy snow will get out of here. And look what happens by Saturday late day. We actually start to see more sunshine. All right, so as far as how much snow is expected by Saturday morning, coating to 1 inch up towards the highlands, 1 to 3 inches out across, say, Wytheville, Parisburg, Blacksburg, up north into Lexington and Buena Vista. 3 to 6 inches of snow, Lynchburg, Smith Mountain Lake, Roanoke, Hillsville, Martinsville, Stewart. 6 to 9 inches of snow, Danville, South Boston, and Charlotte Courthouse. Now, the bulk of the heaviest snow going to stay just south or east of our viewing area. This is what the American model is painting. It's painting around 10 inches in Greensboro, close to a foot in Raleigh, close to 8 inches in Greenville, close to a foot in Norfolk. Now, the European model is having the core of the heaviest snow to the south of us, really, bringing close to 10 inches into Greensboro, around 9 inches in Raleigh, and bringing around 5 inches into Greenville, 6 inches into Norfolk. I also want to mention Norfolk here and let you know that a blizzard warning is in effect for Norfolk and Virginia Beach. They don't get snow, more or less a blizzard, hardly ever. So this is a storm system that is impacting a whole lot of folks, okay? It's not just us. The storm ends west to east Saturday between 10 a.m. and around 1 p.m. in the NRV, across the Roanoke Valley, 11 a.m. to around maybe at the latest 2 p.m. South side, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Lynchburg, noon to 3. Right now, we're thinking it's probably going to be on the earlier side of these ranges, okay? Temperatures very, very cold. It's 18 in Hot Springs, it's 24 in Blacksburg, 26 in Roanoke, it's 27 in Martinsville. Look at the cold air north and west of us. It's 4 in Minneapolis, 1 in Thunder Bay, it's 6 in Chicago. That's the cold air that is moving in here as we head over the next 24 hours or so, and likely will be with us into the early part of the next work week. So we're not going to see a whole lot of melting take place here throughout the course of the weekend. For tonight, we're cold with some snow, and again, bouts of heavy snow are possible, 13 to 23. And for the day tomorrow, we're looking at those highs, 20 to 29 as the snow will eventually end, and we will be very cold with your 3-degree guarantee high for the day on Saturday, 26. 26 again Sunday with more sun, 32 and dry Monday, 42 and dry on Tuesday, 50s Wednesday and Thursday. We could hit the 60s by next Friday. A few showers possible next Wednesday and also again next Friday. Very quickly, 3-degree results. Today, forecast high 34, actual high 31, $10 in the pot, $130 so far raised for the Ronald McDonald House.
WSLS 10 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Haniewich has been keeping a close eye on this system throughout the day. And Jeff, you do expect those clouds to be moving, that severe weather to be moving into our area.
Yeah, it's going to be awfully close here within probably the next 30 to 60 minutes or so. I want to show you the radar. Tornado warning in effect for Alexander and Caldwell counties in North Carolina. You'll see that red box right here. This is roughly 40 to maybe 45 miles south of the North Carolina-Virginia state line, which is right here. So this would put this tornadic cell perhaps close to Carroll County within about the next maybe 45 minutes or so. We're going to continue to watch this very, very closely for you. You need to know that there is no tornado warning for us right now, okay? They're all south of us into North Carolina. Heavy rain, though, being reported from the New River Valley into the Mountain Empire. Among the folks being hardest hit, areas in and around Hillsville, Galax, Cana, Laurel Fork. We're actually going to do some street level mapping with you in Galax and show you areas near Meadow Street, Freeze Road, Cliffview Road, areas near Hebron Road, up north into Woodlawn, dealing with some very heavy rain right along Highway 97 and also Highway 221.
Damaging winds and heavy rain making their way across southwest and central Virginia tonight. This is a fast-moving system that impacted parts of North Carolina earlier today. In fact, they still are. This is video from Blowing Rock, and as you can see, there is substantial flooding there. Now, this storm started out over the weekend, hitting parts of the Midwest. You're looking at video from Norman, Oklahoma, where a powerful tornado hit a casino. This video was captured by a meteorologist and photojournalist from our sister station down there. As you can see, their truck was met with strong winds and hail. And then just a few feet in front of them, the wind brought down the power lines. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt, but this is the same system that's making its way through our area right now. So for more on what we can expect, we turn things over to Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Haniewich. Jeff.
Yeah, thank you very much, John. A tornado warning is in effect until 6 o'clock for Allegheny, Ashe, and Wilkes County in North Carolina. Also for Grayson County here in the Commonwealth. There is officially a tornado warning in effect for Grayson County here in the Commonwealth. I will let you know that the entirety of that cell is still in North Carolina. Quite a bit into North Carolina, frankly. When that cell gets closer to Grayson County, at that point in time, Beverly Perry and I will start to do some wall-to-wall coverage here. But for now, the cell is about 20, maybe 22 miles away from the border with North Carolina. You need to know, though, officially, Grayson County, you are under a tornado warning till 6. We will break into programming, do wall-to-wall coverage when that cell gets a little bit closer. Also, a severe thunderstorm warning for Surrey, Wilkes, and Yadkin County in North Carolina. That cell appears to be getting a little bit closer to Carroll and also into Patrick counties. Also need to tell you that a flash flood warning is in effect until 11 o'clock for Grayson, Wythe, Bland, and also Carroll counties. This does include the city of Galax's flash flood warning in effect until 11. All right, now we're going to stay with you here because the cell that is being warned on for Grayson County is still in North Carolina. You need to know that, but it's getting closer and closer now to the border with Virginia. So we're going to stay with you here for a little while now. Once again, I will tell you a tornado warning is in effect for southeastern Grayson County until 6 o'clock. This is radar indicated. A lot of the tornadoes that we were seeing earlier today in North and South Carolina had ground confirmation, i.e. folks were actually seeing the tornado on the ground. Right now, we are getting no indication whatsoever that there is a tornado on the ground. We're seeing some rotation on the radar, and hence the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for, it looks like southeastern Grayson County. I'll also tell you it looks like south central Carroll County, a small little sliver of Carroll County also under this tornado warning until 6 o'clock. But you need to know the actual cell itself is still in North Carolina. What we're going to do is go over tornado safety because I want you folks that are in Independence, areas that are just, say, to the south of Galax, now is the time for you to get to your safe place.